According to World Health Organization, 462 million people of the whole population of the world are underweight. One study found that clinically underweight individuals have nearly 2 times the risk of death compared to individuals with obesity. Being underweight can negatively affect your health. People who are underweight are at risk of osteoporosis, infections, fertility problems, and early death. Some individuals may be naturally underweight due to genetics or a fast metabolism. Being underweight may also indicate poor nutrition or underlying health conditions. Many people who are not clinically underweight may still want to gain muscle and put on weight for other reasons. Underweight means having a body mass index below 18.5. This is estimated to be less than the body mass needed to sustain optimal health. Being underweight according to this scale does not necessarily mean that you have a health problem. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, being underweight is about twice as common among women compared with men. Reasons why you may not be able to gain weight. Genetics play a role in body types and may dictate a naturally lean body type for some people. For others, underlying medical conditions and certain medical treatments may cause weight loss or difficulty gaining weight. Hyperthyroidism. An overactive thyroid causes an excess of thyroid hormone in the body. People with hyperthyroidism have an overactive metabolism and often burn more calories throughout the day. Type 1 diabetes. Medications and treatments. Certain medications and treatments that cause appetite loss, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea can make it difficult to maintain a healthy weight. There are a variety of strategies to gain weight quicker in safe and healthy ways. Increase your calorie intake. The most important thing you can do to gain weight is to create a calorie surplus, meaning you eat more calories than your body needs. You should intake at least 300 to 500 calories per day above your maintenance level for slow weight gain, or 700 to 1000 calories if you want to gain weight fast. Increase your protein intake. Protein forms the building blocks of your muscles. Eating sufficient protein is required to gain muscle weight in addition to other nutrients. Increase your intake of carbs and fat. Many people restrict their intake of carbs or fat when they try to lose weight. This may make it hard to gain weight, as it will be harder to get in enough calories. To gain weight, eat at least 3 meals per day and make sure to include carbs and protein. Increase your intake of energy-dense foods. It's very important to eat mostly whole foods, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. However, these foods tend to be more filling than processed junk foods, making it harder to get in enough calories. Foods with dense energy may help you gain weight naturally. Almonds, walnuts, and peanuts, raisins, dates, and prunes, whole milk, full-fat yogurt, cheese, cream, olive oil, avocados, salmon and oily fish, oats, brown rice, red meat, potatoes, and other energy-dense foods like dark chocolate, avocados, and coconut milk. Quick tips to gain weight faster. Combining a high-calorie intake with heavy resistance training may help you gain weight. There are several other strategies to gain weight even faster. Here are 10 effective, actually working tips for gaining weight. Avoid drinking water before meals. This can fill your stomach and make it harder to get enough calories. Eat more often. Squeeze in an additional meal or snack whenever you can, such as before bed. Drink milk. Drinking whole milk to quench your thirst can be a simple way to get more high-quality protein and calories. Try weight gainer shakes. If you are having trouble gaining weight, consider weight gainer shakes. These are very high in protein, carbs, and calories. Use bigger plates. Consider using large plates if you're trying to get in more calories, as smaller plates can cause people to eat less. Add cream to your coffee. This is a simple way to add more calories. Take creatine. The muscle-building supplement creatine monohydrate can help you gain a few pounds of muscle. Get quality sleep. Sleeping properly is very important for muscle growth. Eat your protein and fat sources first. If you have a mix of foods on your plate, eat the calorie-dense and protein-rich foods first. Eat high-fiber foods, like raw vegetables. Avoid smoking, and if you do, consider quitting. Smokers tend to weigh less than non-smokers, and quitting smoking often leads to weight gain. Healthy weight gain generally involves choosing a good balance of healthy, high-calorie foods and building muscle through weight training. For many people, making these simple changes is enough to start seeing increases in weight and body mass index. And that's all for today about weight gain naturally. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.